Guys, welcome back to another interesting video. In this video, I will tell you all about Russian alphabets. So, there are 33 alphabets in the Russian language, in which there are 10 vowels, 21 consonants and 2 signs which are soft and hard, as you can see here. So, starting with the first one, A. Once again, A, which is a vowel. You can see how it is written over here. So the next one is B, which is a consonant. The next one is V, which is also a consonant. The fourth one is J, which is a consonant. Then we have D, which is also a consonant. Then Y, which is a vowel. After that, Yo, which is also a vowel. Then we have J, which is a consonant. After that, we have Z, which is also a consonant. After that, we have E, which is also a vowel. The next one is a little similar, but it is said as E Kratkoe. The first part is E, which is the same as the previous one, but then the accent, which is at the top, is pronounced as Kratkoe. So it is collectively pronounced as E Kratkoe. Then we have Ka, which is a consonant. Then we have L, which is also a consonant. Then we have M, which is a consonant. Then we have N, which is also a consonant. You need to keep in mind that some of the Russian letters look like English letters, but they are pronounced in a different way. Taking this example, see, it is written as an English H, but it is pronounced as N. Let's move on to the next one. It is O. It is also a vowel. The next one is P, which is a consonant. Next one is R, which is also a consonant. See, it looks like an English P, but it is pronounced as R. So you need to keep this in mind. The next one is similar as well. It looks like an English C, but is pronounced as S. And it is also a consonant. The next one that we have is T. It is pretty much similar to the English T, and it is also a consonant. The next one is U. It is a vowel, and you can see it looks like an English Y, but it is a Russian U. After that we have F, and it is a consonant. After that we have Kha, which is a consonant. Then we have Tse, which is a consonant. After that we have Ch, which is a consonant. After that we have Sha, which is a consonant. Then we have Sha, which is also consonant. Keep in mind that the pronunciations are really similar, and they're similar in writing as well. The next one is a hard sign. As I told you, there are 2 signs in the Russian language, hard and soft. So this is the hard sign, called as Tvrdiy znak. Once again, Tvrdiy znak. The next one is I, which is a vowel. After that we have Myagkii znak. Again, Myagkii znak, which is a soft sign. Then we have A, which is a vowel. Then we have U, which is a vowel. And the last one also is a vowel, pronounced as ya, ya. And a bonus tip I would like to give over here is that in Russian, the English I is called as ya. So if you write, for example, I write ya Rishit, it would mean I am Rishit. So if this is your first Russian sentence, then congratulations. I hope this video helped you if you are a beginner in Russian language and wanted to learn the alphabet. Again, you can pause the video, rewind and see if you missed onto something, and also take the screenshot as per your likings. I hope you liked this. Give this video a like if this helped you, and if you have any queries, you can type down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.